Hello students, now I am going to show you how to install Coreldraw graphic design software in the Windows 10 operating system. Before installing Coreldraw, you need to check the architecture here. You can see here the architecture. System type is 64-bit operating system. So you need to check this before installing any application software on the PC. You can open my computer and you can open the disk where the Coreldraw graphic design software is stored. So here you have two architecture of application Coreldraw. One is this is a Coreldraw graphic suite 16 version. This is 32-bit and this is 64-bit. So I'm going to install a 64-bit operating system. So for that you need to open here. This is an installation procedure for installing Coreldraw graphics suite. This is for designing software which is used most widely by the press and designing company to design flex banner, postcards, marriage cards, many other digital cards. Okay, so first thing is this one. This window will appear. Here you need to click on the yes. This is the wizard of Coreldraw graphics suite 16 version. You need to accept the license and click on the next. Then you need to put the serial number. If you don't have, okay, you need to put the serial number. Right now I don't have a serial number, so I'm selecting here and clicking on the next. So there are two installation method. One is typical and another one is custom. I'm clicking here the custom so that I can choose which are the application which I can install here. I'm not installing this one. I'm installing only Coreldraw graphics suite. So I'm clicking on the next. So here utilities and other features I'm selecting and clicking on the next. So I'm clicking here and selecting the drive where I want to install the Coreldraw graphics suite 16. It is on C drive. So I'm clicking here and installing the Coreldraw graphics suite 16 version. This may take a little more time, little more minutes in order to complete the setup and installation. Coreldraw graphics suite is a designing software. So if you are interested in graphic designing, then this application software is very useful for you. This is the latest version of Coreldraw which I have. I have the previous version also in 13 version, and that 13 version I will show you in Windows 7 operating system. But right now here I am showing you in the Windows 10 because this Coreldraw latest version is supported by the Windows 10 operating system. That reason I am installing in the Windows 10 operating system. Let's complete the setup process and I'll tell you the next procedure. This graphic design application software has much more features added in it so that the graphic designer can utilize maximum and design well for the project. This installation may take several minutes depending upon your RAM speed and your processor speed. This also requires your graphic memory card. You need to have a good GMCH, which is called graphic memory controller hub, in your motherboard, as well as if your GMCH is low, then you can add graphic card in your motherboard. And graphic card you can add in the you can insert in the AGP slot, that is accelerated graphic port, available in the motherboard. Basically, for greater display and for better display or high definitions, you can use graphic card, external graphic card, which you can get it available in the market. It is available in the market. You can install external graphic card in your motherboard to have a better display on your PC, as well as for the best performance of graphics in your PC. So the installation is completed. You have to click on the finish. Now you need to open Coreldraw. And here you can select continue. Then here you can use register later. For registering the product Coreldraw Graphics Suite X16, there is a process for that. You can go here in the help and go to about you can go here in the help button. You can select here quick start, new blank document. This is your workspace of Coreldraw. To activate, you have to go to here about the Coreldraw. Right now the Coreldraw is activated for only 30 days. So this is a trial version of Coreldraw. So what you have to do here is you need to activate it to use for the lifetime period. So for that you need to click here on the buy option, and I am using a purchase by phone, and here I am putting the serial number. I have the serial number, so I am doing with the help of this serial number which I have. So right now I have to put here activation code and I have to continue. So I have put the activation code here, and now I am clicking on the continue. If I am saving this file, this activation file in the documents, so I am done with activating Coreldraw Graphics Suite 16. This is the latest graphic design software. Okay, so this is a quick start. Here you can select the new blank document. You can give any title and select the paper size which you want to select for print and design. You can select here any units of measurement. So this is your workspace. So thank you dear all for watching this, and this is all about installing the Coreldraw Graphics Suite graphic design software.